Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
Question 21, you need to understand that the wave is coming towards the observer, which is at point P. Alright, so what will reach point P first is what he will plot as displacement time graph. So what reaches point P is a vertical line. So he will see a vertical line going up first. So this is going down, so that's wrong. Going down is wrong. So you need left with these two going up. After that, he will see a horizontal line, straight one. So this is wrong because this one drops, whereas this is a horizontal line. After that, he will see it dropping to negative, so dropping to negative and then going back to 0. So that's why the answer is D, because we are talking about what the observer at P is observing.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with one or two past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.